YouTube is a popular online video sharing platform where users can upload, share, and view videos. It was created in 2005 and has since become one of the most widely used and visited websites on the internet. YouTube allows users to upload videos in various formats, covering a wide range of topics, including music, education, entertainment, vlogs, tutorials, and more. Key features of YouTube include video uploads. Users can upload their own videos to share with the global YouTube community. Viewing and sharing. Users can watch videos uploaded by others and share them on various social media platforms. Channels. Content creators can create their own channels to organize and showcase their videos. Users can subscribe to channels to stay updated with new content. Comments and interactivity. Viewers can leave comments on videos, enabling a level of interactivity and community engagement. Monetization. Eligible creators can monetize their content through the YouTube Partner Program, which allows them to earn money through ads, channel memberships, and other features. YouTube Premium. Users can subscribe to YouTube Premium for an ad-free experience, access to exclusive content, and the ability to download videos for offline viewing. YouTube has become a significant platform for content creators, educators, businesses, and individuals to share information, entertain, and connect with audiences worldwide.